Right Buddy here from Backroad Buddies of Redtail Lodge, and the video we want to share with you today is about Stowe, Vermont. So this is the state of Vermont. We were camping over here in Grand Isle State Park, and we decided to make a day trip over to Stowe, which is right over here. Here's a little closer view. So here's Grand Isle State Park, and Stowe is over here. So we had found out that the Von Trapp family was having their annual Oktoberfest at their beer hall. So just west of Stowe, about where this dot is, they have a beer hall and brewery. There's a bakery, there's their lodge. It's all kind of a rather large complex right there near Stowe. So we signed up for the Oktoberfest for around lunchtime, went over there, enjoyed the Oktoberfest. They were having 3 different seatings, so we were at the kind of the noon seating time. And then we drove down to Stowe itself. It's a cute little town, and walked around the town there. And then back down south here, almost back to the interstate, is Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory. Now, they didn't have tours because of COVID, but we went there and walked around and got some ice cream. And then we took a scenic drive back. So we went back up through Stowe and up over this road here. About up in here is what's called Smugglers Notch, which is a pass. And it's a kind of a little narrow, windy road. But it's a nice scenic drive, and then took kind of back roads to get back. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Stowe, Vermont.
Ins Blut, und das ist nicht so gut. Ja, das kann sogar ganz gefährlich sein. Doch heute lieber nein, weil sie legt schon Bescheid, der Wein. Da hat schon manch ein braver Mann 1, 2, super gezeigt, was so vertragen kann. Schon viel am Morgen fing.
So in the days when Bavaria was still a kingdom, the king of Bavaria, the Wittelsbach family, was marrying off his son, and he decided to throw a party. So he invited all the people in Munich to the party, and they set up outside the city in the meadows, which are still called the Wiesen, the meadows, and they had a party. And that was so successful that they decided to carry it on, and it's become a tradition. Now it lasts 10 days. We're here to honor that tradition, and my son Sam is going to top the ceremonial keg.
With our homemade hammer right out of the woods of the Trapp family lodge. I suppose technically it's a mallet. It's supposed to. Usually it's messy. It's more fun when it's messy.
Eins, zwei, drei, super!
Thanks for watching, and if you want more details about our stay there, you can look in the description below. There's a link to our related blog post, so check that out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Ta-ta for now.